Let's get back to making my raisin loaf. After about 8 hours of bulk fermentation, I pre-shaped the big loaf and then split it in half to shape 2 equal sized dough balls. Here I'm trying 2 different types of shaping methods. Both start with a dusting of rice flour before turning the dough over onto the work surface. A quick stretch out and then some folding. You will have seen this technique lots on YouTube, used by many bakers, and it works really well. When I roll up the dough, I try and push out a little bit of excess air to ensure there are no big bubbles inside. I then give my dough a quick bath in the rice flour before placing it into the banneton. One quick cross stitch and we're done. For this dough ball I use a different technique, which works reasonably well. This is the one I've come up with. I think it's a little quicker and it doesn't make any difference to the final result. Well, at least I can't tell. Again, roll up the dough. You can see I roll it up slightly different, applying a little bit more tension, but I end up with a similar looking shape of batard. Same procedure again with the rice flour, and then into the banneton it goes for a final bit of cross stitching. Follow to find out how they baked, or for more regular baking tips. Most importantly, give it a try and enjoy.